Hi guys, my name is Andy and today we're going to make an origami frog. Alright, first of all, because I want this side to be the color of the frog, I'm going to flip it over to the side that I don't want. I already did the foldings a bit, but I'll show you how to do it. First of all, we want to fold it into a rectangle just to make the marks in the middle. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, just folding it. We're not gonna actually keep the folds. We're just gonna make the crease. Then we're gonna make sure that this edge touches this line and this edge touches this line. Okay? And we're gonna fold this part downwards so that this edge matches up with the middle line that we folded before. And we're gonna open it, press this part down, and press it straight down. Now we're gonna make the front legs, so fold this part upwards and fold this part upwards too. And now we want this edge over here to touch this line. We're just gonna fold it and make the crease. Okay? Now flip this part over and we're gonna fold it so that this edge touches this line. And do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Now keep this part closed. And let's see. Open it, fold this part upwards, then fold it again. So you should have this shape so far. Okay, now fold this part downwards so you have a triangle. And now you're gonna open it and do the same thing that we did for the head before. Well, not the same thing, but we want this half to be touching this line and this half to be touching this line. So you would have this shape. Now we're gonna fold this part downwards. Wait, before that, make sure the lines align. Fold this part downwards and fold this part downwards too. And make the legs like this, and the same thing on the other side. Like that. So it would look like this so far. And now fold this part straight up and fold this part in half. Push down. And that's it. That's frog. And if you press right over here and click it, it can jump. Okay, that's it. And thank you for watching my video. Next video we'll be doing some origami. Thank you.